After a long wait, at last I am able to get these two output transformers. This one actually rebuilt by Mr. Rasnayan of Karnataka. I believe he is one of the person in these days who can rebuild these sorts of transformers as it was originally made. Now it's time to fit these two transformers in the radio. You can see this is the secondary winding coming from here, tappings, and this is the primary tappings in both the transformers. Now you can see that I have fixed the transformer here, and another transformer which was inside this casing, I have fixed it, and also some changes I need to do I have not done earlier. This is a bass treble circuit bus, and this is a treble circuit. There were some capacitors which I found leaky and damaged. I have replaced those with the new ones. And now it's time to check whether it's working fine or not. For the time being, I would like to tell you that it is not possible to actually video the full restoration process. However, once I fix this transformer, I have tried to check it. This is a pickup point from where we insert the pickup jack for the record players or the other sources of audio. The sound was not coming, and while I checked that this particular valve connection set, as you can see, it is ECC 83, and this one is also ECC 83, where the plate voltages were too high. Later I found that as because there are some modifications made in this transformer, so actually the cathode was not been able to be grounded, and that was the reason the plate voltage was so high and those valves are not working. I'm sorry that I was not able to video that part. Now I have put a ground connection with this transformer secondary, and now I will test the audio section whether it's working or not. So let's check the audio first. I will check from the pickup. I have put my selector switch in the stereo mode. Now let's start this radio and check the audio. So this is my meter clip. As you can see, I will put this clip here. It will give me the plate voltage of this ECC 83. Now I am giving power to it. I have switched it on. It is dropping. You can see 166, 159, 53, 150, 147. This is the plate voltage of ECC 83, the first ECC 83. Now I will check the audio. You can see now the audio is coming. This is one channel, and this is another one. So the audio came back. It's a good news. Now it's time to check for the radio section, and now I will put the valves one by one and check whether it's working fine or not. While I was checking the radio section, first of all, what I found, I'm showing it to you. As you can see that all these are antenna coils and these all are oscillator coils. Now this is a medium wave antenna coil. What I found, due to the ages of this set, the connections from this coil which need to be go to the antenna aerial section and the other one to the gang or to the ECH 81 valve, those wires are actually broken. You can see this one. I did remove this coil from its position. I have fixed. I found those broken wires and I have fixed. You can see this is a wire which I have fixed with this coil and connected as it should be. So there should be 4 connections, in which 2 should go to the ground and other 2, one should go to the ECH 81 and another should go to the aerial. Those connections were disturbed, so I have repaired those, restored those as it should be. And after that, one thing I found, gang is a capacitor which is variable in nature, so that actually get shorted. So I restored that one also, and after that I found that connections are okay. So I have to check whether any stations are coming or any signal is capturing by this radio or not, whether the oscillation is going on or not. So let's check. A new problem came in front of me. Now if you can see, this is a bus control potentiometer. This is okay. You can see this is okay. there are two spindles which actually moves when I steer this one. If you look into the treble control, you will see it has already broken. Nothing is here. There should be that spindle which in the inside it moves, that varies the resistance. It is broken, so this one is gone, and I do not think that I will get this one anymore. So I will remove this unit from here, and I will try to fix a plate here in this area, and from there I'll try to put this sorts of volume control which will come like this. This is the only way it could be resurrected or restored, because these are German made radios. I am trying to disassemble this unit, and I will fix a flat plate here, and I will drill in the center, and I will push this stereo volume control of 1 meg, and I will try to fix it. As you can see, this is another tone control switch for this radiogram, and you can see that this wire actually becomes very hard due to age, and it is a stereo wire, shield wire. Now you can see that one wire is here and another actually goes inside, so I have to replace this wire, otherwise it won't work. This is another tone control which will be fitted with that radio. See, this is the speaker, the big one, the full range speaker. Now the problem was that these speakers, this is right one, another is left one. I will show you later. Now this is one option for me because I won't get this cone anymore. Issue is that due to ages and the mishandling of this set, the speaker cones actually damaged. So these places, you can see I have used a gum to fix this so that the vibration could happen in a proper way, but this was actually damaged. See, this is the condition of the second speaker which I was talking about earlier. The condition of this speaker is so bad that if I play this speaker, it won't give us the correct sound. It's completely more or less damaged. So I will try to repair it as much as possible, and I will try to fill this gap also. So let's see what could I do with this. There is no other way, so I have repaired this speaker. This is how this speaker has been repaired or restored up to some extent, so that the vibration should take place in the correct manner. And at the same time, I would like to show you that this is crossover network. I have changed this capacitor, put this faceplate on. I have actually put one white sheet inside this. It is going to be better if I would color inside this chassis, but I feel that it is not going to be a good work because there are certain screws inside. So if I do color that will be jammed forever. So it will be very much tough in coming days. If anyone tries to unscrew those will not be possible. So taking that into mind, I have just fixed one white sheet inside so that the clarity should come once the light will glow. Now it's time to put all the knobs in these spindles. This is a volume and balance, and this is the tuning. And as per the request of my client, he has said to have one FM inside this radio, so I will attach one FM kit here in this faceplate and will connect it to the audio via a switch, so that one could try to listen either FM or turntable. This is how it looks after the completion of the restoration. As you can see, this is the volume control, these are the band switches, this is the bass control, treble control switch has been changed by me, as you know earlier. This is the tuning control of medium wave and short waves. And this is which I was talking about, the FM tuning. I have fixed one FM kit. As you can see here, I have fixed one FM kit, and it has been powered by external transformer of 9 volt, and I have also put a rotary switch here. This switch, what is the work of this switch? This switch will actually allow the user to select FM or pickup. This dial lamp was actually gone bad, so I have replaced this with other one, new one. This is now the look. So now it's time to check the final performance. Is the last time that you can see this set. It will be delivered very soon. Now I am switching it on. I have given the power to it, medium wave. So I am selecting medium wave. As you can see, The lights are glowing up. The magic eye is also glowing, and you can see this is the medium wave. These are the channels. There are very less channels come nowadays in Kolkata. This is the Maitri channel, and this is Calcutta A. This is the base control. You can see now. Now I am switching it to FM. For that, I have to select the stereo switch. Now I am tuning this FM. This is a tuning switch. This is the FM which is going on right now. And if I select this one here, as you can see, I am selecting the pickup. Now it's time to check the pickup also. For that I will play one record. It's time to check the turntable. This was not the original one. The original one was actually damaged completely, so this is another one which I have to install with this set. This has also been repaired by me and cleaned specially. You can see now the radio is on, the selector mode actually in FM, so I am changing it to pickup. I have changed it to pickup. Now I will play one of the Bengali song. It's a 45 RPM record. Now you can see. So this is the final video of this restoration. I hope you enjoyed a lot, and I have also got a lot of experience from this restoration, and hopefully we will meet again with another set. Stay happy and be healthy. Goodbye. Take care.